My name is Catherine Ashe. I live in Asheville, North Carolina, and I am a small animal and emergency veterinarian, both. I worked as an associate veterinarian at Beacon Veterinary Hospital, which is a privately owned small animal hospital in the heart of Beacon Village, which was one of the most devastated areas in Swannanoa. It had rained for days, a couple days leading up to the hurricane, so we knew that flooding was a possibility. So we had planned to open late on the morning of September 27th. Around 9:15, I think we got notification that the doors of our clinic had been breached, and we knew that that was water. And then shortly afterwards, I was on Facebook trying to follow what was happening, and someone posted a video of the intersection where our clinic sits, and we could see our clinic, and it was under probably 7-8 feet of water at that point, like fast-moving river. And even then, the shock of seeing it was so overwhelming that it didn't really sink in what was happening. And so we didn't really know the extent of what had happened until the following day when my office manager braved the roads and went there to see firsthand what had happened to the clinic. It's been a boon to us because we have not been able to open in Swannanoa. Our building is gone basically, and there's no place to rent because everything's destroyed. So we were lucky enough to be able to lease a space behind an ER clinic here that was being unused. So we've been able to reopen in a temporary location. So we've been able to help people. For instance, I had a woman last week who lost her home in Black Mountain, and she's on a waiting list for housing, but she can't get into the housing until her pets are up to date on their vaccines. She didn't have the funds to do that. It was 3 animals, and it was about $1,000 for her to do that. So she came to us not knowing any of this, other than we might be able to help with the financial aspect. So we were able to get all of her pets the medical care they needed so that she can be housed at this point. So that was a huge deal for her. And she said it reinstated her faith in humans and kindness that we were able to help her. So it's making a big difference for those people who've lost everything. People tend to forget humanity, our humanity, and get angry and hateful. And I think things like the AVMF fund help us remember that we're all humans. We're all here on this planet together, and we have to get along and we have to help each other. And that's really all it's about.